In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-column text in PowerPoint. This skill can be a game changer when you're designing slides for a presentation. Whether you want to fit more text onto your slide without compromising readability, or simply wish to create a more dynamic layout, multi-column text can help. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. Take a moment to ensure everything is up to date, especially if you're using an older version, to avoid any surprises as we proceed. Once PowerPoint is open, you'll either open an existing presentation or create a new one. This is the perfect time to add any photos, tables, or other content that will complement your text and enhance your slides. Next, focus on selecting the text box containing the text you want to format into multiple columns. If your slide already has a text box, simply click on it. If not, add a text box using the Insert tab on the ribbon. Once you've selected your text box, you're ready to begin formatting. With your text box selected, move your attention to the ribbon at the top of PowerPoint. Click on the Home tab. This is where you'll find a lot of the tools you need for text formatting. Now, in the paragraph group of commands on the Home tab, you'll see a button labeled Add or Remove Columns. This button is the gateway to creating the multi-column effect. Click the Add or Remove Columns button and you'll be presented with several options. You can choose a preset number of columns, like 2 or 3, which PowerPoint has designed for quick use. These presets are great for making fast changes, especially when working with simple layouts or when you're in a hurry to complete your presentation. However, if you're looking for something a bit more tailored to your specific project, you can select the More Columns option. When you click on More Columns, a dialog box will appear. Here, you have the flexibility to customize your multi-column layout further. You can specify not only the number of columns you want, but also adjust the spacing between these columns. This feature is particularly useful if you're trying to balance aesthetics and functionality, giving you more control over how text is distributed across the slide. Once you've made your selections in this dialog box, click OK. This final step will apply your settings and transform the text within your selected text box into a multi-column format. Take a moment to review your slide to ensure everything looks as you intended. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to create multi-column text in PowerPoint. This technique doesn't just save space, it also enhances the visual interest of your slides, making your presentation even more engaging. Feel free to apply this on any slide where you feel it would enhance the message or clarify information. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your presentation design.